My large trauma kit here, this is for taking to events with a lot of people or for having at home when you don't know what might happen. I've got some cleaning gloves and cleaning stuff here. I've got airway stuff in this big pocket, and then for bleeding, we dedicate this entire second large pouch. And some of the stuff that's going to fall out because it's most often used are going to be the emergency bandages, trauma wound bandages. So these are sterile, absorbent, strong bandages. So for compression and for for compression and for stopping bleeding, these are my go-tos. They have them in larger and even smaller configurations, but this I believe is the 6-inch. There's also a 4-inch, and having these in strong, sturdy packaging keeps them vacuum sealed for a long time. Keeping them right here, ready to go in the bleeding section of the aid kit is how I keep them. Hope this helps.